What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the OnePlus 6. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to end a phone call with the power button. So once again, if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. First thing we're going to want to do is start off by going into settings. I go into settings by swiping down on the little gear icon right there. Go ahead and select that. From here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom of our settings. We will go into system. Once we are in system, we will be looking for accessibility. Once we are in accessibility, we're going to want to go ahead and scroll down into the interaction controls. And here we have the second one down says power button ends call. So we'll go ahead and select that and it turns it on. So that way, if you are now talking on the phone and somebody you're talking you're having a phone call, talking on the device, and you want to turn it off, all you gotta do is hit the power button and then it turns off, it ends the call. So that's how to do that. And if you have that on and you want to turn it off, same thing, we're gonna be going into settings. From settings, we're gonna scroll down till we find system. From system, we will be going into accessibility. From accessibility, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down and find that power button ends call and deselect that, and just like that you have turned it off. So that is how to end a call, how to turn the setting on and off on the OnePlus 6. Hope you guys found that video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please go ahead and share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.